Hello, dear viewers. Today we shall be learning how to calculate Cronbach Alpha uh, in your dataset and how to increase its value. So I have taken a database. You can see what we need to do. We have to go in analyze, and then we have to come in scale, and then you have to click reliability analysis. Now you have to take the statements for which you want to check the value. So I'm taking all the statements in the right hand side window. Suppose these are the 4 items which I have taken to check the uh, reliability value. So see, you have to go in statistics, then you have to click scale if item deleted, then continue, and then OK. Now you see that there are 3 to 4 tables generated. In the first table, it is a case processing summary in which I have 181 valid cases. In the second one, I have reliability statistics. So you can see that the value is 0.730, which is acceptable. Any value which is greater than 0.7 is acceptable. And now if we come to the next table, that is your item total statistics. So here you can see in this, through this table, you can see that what are the various elements which are having what kind of weightage in your scale. So this table is very important. Here we have 4 items. So this table shows that if you are going to delete first item, your value of Cronbach alpha value will come down. So it will not be good. If you are going to delete the fourth item, your value will go slightly up. That is not going to impact much more, but it will increase from 0.730 to 0.731. So through this table, you can see that which element you have to drop down in order to increase the Cronbach alpha value. So dear viewers, I hope so that you must have understood how to calculate reliability of the statements or a scale using SPSS. Thank you very much for watching this video.